Financial planning is the backbone of any successful business, regardless of its size or industry. It's the roadmap that guides decision making and resource allocation, ultimately determining a company's ability to thrive. Now, while many of us are familiar with traditional budgeting methods, there's a more dynamic and flexible approach gaining traction, the continuous budget or rolling budget. Today, we're diving deep into this concept, exploring its intricacies, benefits, and best practices. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's unravel the world of continuous budgeting together. First off, what exactly is a continuous budget? In simple terms, it's a financial planning approach where a business continuously adds an additional month or quarter to its budget as each period passes. Imagine a 12-month budget that evolves as time goes on, allowing businesses to always have a full year plan in sight. This is a stark contrast to traditional budgets, which are typically set once a year and remain fixed, regardless of changing circumstances. The beauty of a continuous budget lies in its adaptability. In today's fast-paced business environment, where market conditions can shift overnight, having a static budget can be a recipe for disaster. A continuous budget allows companies to respond swiftly to changes in revenue, expenses, and other financial factors. It's like having a financial GPS that recalibrates based on real-time data, ensuring that businesses can navigate through uncertainties with confidence. Now, let's break down how a continuous budget differs from a traditional budget. One of the most significant differences is the frequency of updates. Traditional budgets are typically updated annually, while continuous budgets are updated regularly, often monthly or quarterly. This means that businesses can react quickly to market changes instead of waiting for a year to roll around. Another distinction is the level of flexibility. Traditional budgets are often rigid and require formal amendments for any changes. Continuous budgets, on the other hand, are inherently flexible, allowing businesses to adjust their financial plans based on actual results and emerging trends. This flexibility is crucial for companies operating in industries characterized by rapid change, such as technology or retail. When it comes to forecasting, traditional budgets rely heavily on historical data and assumptions about future conditions. Continuous budgets, however, emphasize forecasting based on real-time data, enabling businesses to make more accurate predictions about future revenue and expenses. This shift from historical reliance to real-time responsiveness can significantly enhance a company's financial agility. Now, who can benefit from implementing a continuous budgeting process? The answer is simple: almost everyone. Small businesses can leverage continuous budgeting to respond quickly to market changes, ensuring they're not caught off guard. Startups, which often navigate uncharted waters, can use this approach to adapt their financial plans as they learn more about their markets. Mid-sized companies can gain a longer-term outlook, while large corporations can manage their complex financial operations more effectively. Even nonprofit organizations and government agencies can find value in a continuous budgeting approach. But when is it appropriate to use a rolling budget instead of a fixed one? There are several scenarios where a rolling budget shines. For instance, in rapidly changing markets, such as the tech sector, businesses need the flexibility to adapt their financial strategies quickly. Seasonal businesses, like retailers, can benefit by adjusting their financial plans based on sales patterns. Startups, with their inherent uncertainty, can thrive under a rolling budget that evolves as they gain insights. However, implementing a continuous budgeting process isn't without its challenges. One common hurdle is the availability and quality of data. Continuous budgeting relies heavily on accurate and up-to-date information, and businesses may struggle to collect and process data from various sources. Additionally, resistance to change can pose a significant barrier. Many organizations are accustomed to traditional budgeting methods, and shifting to a continuous approach may require a cultural shift that some stakeholders might resist. Cost and resource constraints can also be a challenge, particularly for small businesses. Implementing a continuous budgeting process may require investments in technology and personnel, which can be daunting for those with limited resources. Moreover, the time-consuming nature of continuous budgeting can be overwhelming, especially for organizations with tight schedules and limited staff. So, why is it crucial to regularly review and adjust a rolling budget? The business environment is ever-changing. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget ensures that it remains relevant and aligned with the company's goals. It also enhances the accuracy of financial projection, allowing businesses to make informed decisions based on the most current information available. Now, let's talk about who should be involved in developing and maintaining a rolling budget. This process requires collaboration from various stakeholders. Senior management plays a crucial role in ensuring that the budget aligns with the company's strategic goals. The finance team is responsible for gathering data and analyzing trends, while sales and marketing teams contribute insights into revenue projections. Operations and human resources teams provide valuable input on cost and staffing levels. Even external advisors can lend their expertise to ensure a comprehensive approach. As we explore the world of continuous budgeting, it's essential to recognize common mistakes to avoid. Failing to involve key stakeholders can lead to inaccurate projections. Neglecting to review and adjust the budget regularly can result in outdated information. Overcomplicating the budget can make it challenging to use and maintain, and focusing too much on short-term results can overshadow long-term strategic goals. By being aware of these pitfalls, businesses can navigate the continuous budgeting process more effectively. Technology plays a pivotal role in supporting a continuous budgeting process. With the right software tools, businesses can automate many budgeting tasks, integrate data from various systems, and monitor performance in real time. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of errors, allowing for more accurate financial planning. So, how can a rolling budget improve forecasting accuracy? By continuously updating the budget with actual data, businesses can monitor their performance in real time and adjust their forecasts accordingly. This flexibility allows for better scenario planning, enabling companies to anticipate potential challenges and opportunities. Moreover, collaboration among different departments fosters a more comprehensive understanding of the business landscape, leading to more accurate predictions. To wrap things up, creating and maintaining a continuous budget requires discipline and strategic thinking. Setting clear objectives, involving key stakeholders, using accurate data, and regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget are all best practices that can enhance the effectiveness of a rolling budget. In conclusion, continuous budgeting is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can help businesses thrive in today's dynamic environment. By embracing this approach, organizations can enhance their financial agility, improve forecasting accuracy, and make more informed decisions. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large corporation, understanding and implementing a continuous budgeting process can be a game changer for your financial planning. So, take the plunge and explore the world of continuous budgets. You might just find that it's the key to unlocking your business's potential.